Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see self-practice 2A in exponents, your fifth question. In that, A sum 8 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. So here we are going to use A power 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 equal to 1. And A power minus 1, if you have negative exponent, the number will become reciprocal 1 by A. Next one, A by B whole power minus 1 minus M. So again negative exponent, so the number will become reciprocal B by A whole power M. It will change to positive exponent. Now 8 power 0, any number to the power of 0 is 1 plus 5 power minus 1 is, since you have negative power, you have to reciprocal the number 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Again it is 5 by 1 whole power plus 2. So simplify this bracket. You can see different denominators. Here it is 5 and here it is 1. So our LCM is 5. So first number, this you have to multiply it with 5. So 5 plus 1 into 5 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5 into 5 square is 25. So you can cancel 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So now normally let us multiply 6 into 5. 6 into 5 which is equal to 30. Is it clear, children? B question, 30 power 0 plus 15 power 0 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. So what law we are going to use here? You can see A power 0 is 1 and A by B whole power minus M equal to B by A whole power M. So 30 power 0 is 1 plus 15 power 0 is 1 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 is 2 power 3. 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 which is 8. And 2 into 8 equal to 16. Next C question. 7 power minus 1 plus 8 power minus 1 plus 9 power minus 1 whole power 0 divided by minus 1 divided by 9 whole power minus 2. We have seen already that in laws any expression to the power of 0 will give us 1 and A by B whole power minus M. If the power is negative, the number will become reciprocal and power will change to positive. So 7 power minus 1 plus 8 power minus 1 plus 9 power minus 1 whole power 0 will give us 1 divided by minus 1 by 9 whole power minus 2. So reciprocal the number, that is minus 9 whole square. 1 divided by, you know, minus 9 whole square is 81 which is equal to 1 by 81. Your D sum, D question, 1 by 3 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by 6 whole power minus 2. So again here we are going to use A by B whole power minus M equal to B by A whole power M. So first term is 1 by 3 whole power minus 2. This will become 3 square plus 1 by 4 whole power minus 2 will become 4 square. 1 by 6 whole power minus 2 will become 6 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 plus 6 square is 36. So 9 plus 16 will give you 25 plus 36. 25 plus 36 is 61. Let us see E sum. Your E sum is minus 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 raised to the power of minus 2. So here we are going to use a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So we have to multiply the powers and then we have to simplify the base. So here minus 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Sorry, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Minus into minus is plus. So here again we are going to use a by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. This is equal to, we know that minus 1 whole power even number will become positive. So 4 power 4 divided by 5 power 4. 4 power 4 means 4 has to be written 4 times. So 4 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 5 power 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now multiply and give them answer. 4 into 4 is 16. Again 4 into 4 is 16. You know that 16 into 16 is 256 divided by 5 into 5 is 25. Again 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 25 is 625. So 4 power 4 is 256. 5 power 5 is 5 power 4 is 625. Your next question. F question. 9 power minus 1 into 4 cube divided by 3 power minus 4. Here we can, you know that 9 can be written in terms of 3. So 9 is nothing but 3 square. Already we have 9 whole power minus 1. So 3 square whole power minus 1 into 4 cube divided by 3 power minus 4. So again we are going to use the law a power m into a power n. A power m whole power n is nothing but a power m into n. We have to multiply the powers. So this is equal to 3 power 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 into 4 cube divided by 3 power minus 4. So here you can observe that both the base are same and it is in division. So a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. If both the base are same, if it is in division, then we can subtract the powers. So 3 power minus 2 minus of minus 4 into 4 cube. So this is equal to 3 power minus 2. Minus into minus is plus 4 into 4 cube. So when you simplify the power, 3 power minus 2 plus 4 will give us 3 power 2 into 4 cube. 3 square is 9 into 4 cube is 64. When you multiply 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 6 are 54 plus 3 will give you 576. Let us see G sum. G question. 5 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 2 whole power minus 2. Here we are going to use a power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a, and a by b whole power minus m equal to b by a whole power m. So here our first term is 5 power minus 1. So it is 1 by 5 into 4 power minus 1 is 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 whole power minus 2, which is nothing but 2 by 3 the whole square. So when you multiply 1 into 1, numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator is 5 into 4, 20. This is equal to 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9. So here I am going to cancel 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. This is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 5 nines are 45. So let us see next Roman, 6th Roman, first sum. 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 5 whole power minus 1 plus 1. So here they have given you first bracket. So as per board mass, let us complete this bracket first. Here we are going to use a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. So 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 is 4 minus 1 by 5 whole power minus 1 is 5 plus 1. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1 plus 1, which will give you 0. Your next B sum, 11 by 12 whole power minus 10 divided by 11 by 12 whole power minus 12 into 123 divided by 121. Here you can observe that both the base are same and it is in division. If the base are same and if it is in division, a power m divided by a power n, a power m minus n. If the base are same and if it is in division, we can subtract the powers. Here the common base is 11 by 12 whole power minus 10 minus of minus 12 into. Here we have the number in mixed fraction. So change it to improper. 121 into 1 is 121 plus 23. So 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 1. 144 divided by 121. Your 11 by 12 whole power minus 10 minus into minus is plus 12 into 144 divided by 121. Now 11 by 12 whole power minus 10 plus 2 is 2 into 144 divided by 121. Next we are going to use a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. So you know that 11 square is 121 divided by 12 square is 144 into 144 divided by 121. Now we can cancel 121 ones are and 144 ones are. So 1 into 1 will give us 1. So answer 1. Let us see 7th question. Find the value of m, for which 7 power 2m divided by 7 power minus 4 equal to 7 power minus 6. So they have given 7 power 2m divided by 7 power minus 4 equal to 7 power minus 6. So we know that a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. If the bases are common, if it is in division, then we can subtract the powers. Here you can see both the base is common 7, 7 and it is in division. So I am going to subtract the powers. 7 power 2m minus of minus 4 equal to 7 power minus 6. So 7 power 2m minus into minus is plus 4 equal to 7 power minus 6. Here you can see both the base are same, then powers must be equal. So base are equal. Then we can equate the powers. Your 2m plus 4 equal to minus 6. When you take a positive number to other side, it will become negative. So 2m is equal to minus 6 minus 4. Since it has same sign minus 6 minus 4, you can add the numbers and give same sign. So 2m is equal to minus 10. Here 2 is in multiplication. When you take it to the other side, it will become division. So m is equal to minus 5. Is it clear, children? Let us go for next challenge sum. 3 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 30 power minus 10. So here I am going to write 30 as, let 3 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 8. Here I can write 30 as 3 into 10 whole power minus 10. So I am going to use a into b whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. You can see the denominator. It has 3 into 10 whole power minus 10. Let the numerator be as such. 3 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 8 divided by. Here we are going to use a into b whole power minus m equal to a power m into b power m. Here instead of a I have 3, instead of b I have 10 and instead of m it is minus 10. So 3 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 10. Now you can observe that bases are same and it is in division. Actually 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10. Same way 10 power minus 8 divided by 10 power minus 10. If both the base are same and if it is in division, we can subtract the powers. So here I am going to subtract the powers. 3 power minus 7 minus of minus 10 into 10 power minus 8 minus of minus 10. Next step, 3 power minus 7 minus into minus is plus 10 into 10 power minus 8 minus into minus is plus 10. Now simplify the power. 3 power minus 7 plus 10 is 3 power 3 into 10 power minus 8 plus 10 is 2. You know that 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 10 square is 100. When you multiply, you will be getting 2700. Thank you, children.